Hey, hello, y'all doing? You okay? In your neck of the woods? Yeah, man. What up? Manners and respect. And your girl, Debbie, from down here. Yeah? At early morning, and see me for have my towel. Because the heat is still on. It's not going anywhere. It seems like it's here to stay. Anyhow, let me get my hands washed. This morning, give them a shot on the table. I will not have not much, Taking it slow, taking it easy. Mother's Day is in the hair and all of that. So right here, I'm just gonna show you all. It's a quick, easy way where you can bring up a nice little breakfast. Husbands, you just want to do something mom for mom, inexpensive, quick and fast and nice, but you know she'll enjoy. So right here we have some whole wheat bread and we're going to butter it very generously. We butter soften and we are use some nice soft butter, not any old just coarse butter, but we're using some nice soft butter. Okay, we're trying to make up a little grilled cheese sandwich, so we are butter it very generously. We have a pan, give them a shot. We have a grilled pan over there. Getting real heated. Alright. So we're gonna turn this side, the buttered side, down. We have some slices of cheese here. This one decides say it don't want to go grill, but for whatever the reason, we're going to find another one. Okay? So we have some cheese here. Zoom in. Zoom right in. Let them see it. We're going to put 2 slices on it. We're going to try to get them overlap like this. We're going to take our other side. Remember the side of the bread that we buttered? It was down. So we're going to take another slice now. And generous with the butter. We're going to be real generous because we have a pan over there eating up well, nice. We put on the butter. But to this now, we're turning this other side up. So we're going to move, we're going to set it together. We're going to move from over here, buttered side down. Our grill pan is there being heated. And we're going to leave this for about, it's heated 2 to 2.5 minutes on each side. While that is happening, we're going to come back over here and we're going to try to get the other one just to see. Alright? Let me try get out this little bad boy here. Okay. So that is there. So we're going to notch up our flame a bit. 2 to 2.5 minutes on each side. Buttered side down, and as soon as that side is cooked, we're gonna flip the other side. So in the meantime, we want to see if we can get 2 sandwiches in. It's just a quick thing. Mother's Day come up, and look here, it's sticky, really sticky. So you want to be there for mom. You want to, just want to say thank you, mom. Just a simple way, and she will enjoy it. So we just come up with a quick little idea of how you can do something for mom. Buttered side down again, and you're gonna put on your cheese, right? Cheese like overlapping, like you get okay. Hold on. So you carry the cheese to the end and you overlap it, and make sure this one is to the end. You know, if you are neat and fancy, you just that you want to get it that mom can enjoy. Because you're trying to get your cheese melted inside your bread. You want to do a nice little, can be done by husbands, I'll even up to a 6-year-old can do this if them learn to angle themselves in the kitchen from early. So again, next buttered side up. And we're going right over here. And we're gonna put this one in. We're going to space them a bit, right? Trying to get the cheese melted inside the bread. We make it a little messy. It's a little messy, but you know, as usual, guys, we can clean up. So, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel and you want to keep on this journey with me, this little Jamaican cooking journey, please do so. Please subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. Leave your comments below as soon as you watch a video. Whatever it is, that's how we're gonna grow. We don't know. If you don't say something, we don't know. If you're enjoying the videos, so please do so. Feel free to leave your comments below. Alright, the first one, we're going in now. Zoom right in. We want to take a little prick. Wow. Wow. Okay. Dokie. 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 Right? So we want to get it crispy and nice, and that the cheese can melt on the inside. So in the meantime now, in between time, that is happening. We have to ride and whistle, you know. You know, a Mother's Day, and we don't want to make it, you know, you have to want to look at something for mom. So you want to let it look, you know, presentable and all of that. Okay. So you have your nice little pretty napkin here, and you have a little, you have to give mom a little beverage, you know. So in the meantime now, in between time, you have to, you try to give mom a nice balance of breakfast. So make we shine up, make we clean up. Easy, nice little breakfast. But at the same time, you want it, you don't want it be, it just dry so. Right? Coming up to come. So, the time is so hot. I don't think you can give mom no coffee. It's too hot. I don't think so. So right here, we have, remember we have to look what going over there, so you know, 3 slices of papaya rings. And we have, zoom right in, some freshly squeezed orange juice near to freezing point, well cold. We're not serving it over any ice because we wanted to get the taste of the natural orange juice. We don't want her to forget it. We don't want her to forget orange juice weak out. We want her to get the natural taste of this orange juice, the full-fledged 100. Let's go over. Careful. Okay. Right over here. Zoom right in. Let us look at what is going on with this other one. That can go and take time because our mom won't wear look about. So make that go on. So you can just use your same spatula and you can cut. Right? Right in. Zoom right in, make them see it. Yeah? I feel like you look a napkin for mom. Wipe off her hands when she finish and touch her mouth. And you want it to all get fancy for mom? Okay. So, now that's a grilled cheese sandwich. A few rings of papaya. Yes. A glass of cold next to freezing point orange juice. And you want to do a sandwich with a twist. You know? Zoom right in, let them see. So you're going to take a little bit of honey. And you're going to drizzle all over mom's sandwich. Just drizzle it. Not a lot, not a whole lot. You know? Just a little twist to mom's sandwich. If you make any mess, you just clean up. Are you just going to do this and just go and pop right into our bedroom with it. Right? And you're going to take a little bit of a pinch of cinnamon. And you're going to drizzle. Just to get the sandwich at the grilled cheese, a twist. You're going to drizzle right over. And there you have it. Perfect, little inexpensive, fast, like lightning, little inexpensive Mother's Day breakfast from West Indian Delights. Zoom right in, let them see it. Right in. If you have enjoyed this Mother's Day breakfast video, please thumbs it up. Turn on your notification. Remember to subscribe to the channel and leave your comments below. And remember, love you all. Mother's Day coming up. Love you, love you. Remember to look about your moms, your grandmothers, your great-grandmothers, mother-in-law, daughter-in-law, sisters, you name them. Remember, this is just a few little breakfast ideas coming from West Indian Delights. Listen to me. Listen to me now. A Debbie from down a yard, Listen to me. Remember, mom. Boom.